nangyari?
This is the
Uy! Hi guys!
oh,
Road trip, road trip. Now I'm going to show to you what we are looking for here. Now we're heading to Michigan and this is what we are looking. Nice fall colors of the leaves. They're starting it now. Beautiful naman mga friends and countrymen. Ang ganda ng kulay oh.
our next 3 days up here are supposed to be just like this, sunny and 70 degrees every day.
Yeah.
Gonna be nice.
Ganda.
Lots of hiking, filming, pictures.
We're heading to Marquette in the Upper Peninsula. We are already here in Michigan. Welcome, welcome.
And our place is right on the lake.
Ooh, cold. Ayan, no. We went before in New England area, 2018, right, Han?
Yes.
And we did not see much of the full colors.
A little bit once we
a
got
little.
up to Burlington and across Burlington, Vermont, across to Bar Harbor.
Not like this, you know.
Yeah, it was not. We were too early.
Yeah. This is like 40% yet?
I don't know this area. West
Starting.
of where we're staying is 40%.
Yeah. But
This
you
is
can
pretty good.
see already colors here. So, more to come. Yeah.
Waterfalls.
More waterfalls also here.
Ooh,
We try to explore.
super nice.
Explore. Super nice naman. Ang ganda. Oh, beautiful. Ganda naman.
Yeah. It's a nice road.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Changing colors. They are famous here for the fall colors also. Yep. Nice. Back to us.
Oh,
Marco.
what?
Hi. It's almost like four and a half hours. 4 hours that he's driving now. So tired. Okay.
I'm anxious to get out and drop our stuff off at the hotel and get out and start wandering and
Yeah.
enjoy the color. Especially, it's going to be a beautiful evening.
Mm-hmm.
Although it's supposed to get down in the 40s tonight.
Malamig.
45 tonight, I think.
I don't know. Malamig.
But still, 70, sunny the next 3 days. Unless some rain pops up, but I don't think so. Cross our fingers. We got a bunch of places marked. We'll be heading all over the
Especially
western and
the
eastern part of the Upper
waterfalls.
Peninsula. Yep.
Yeah.
And Picture Rock National Park. There's about 6 or 8 waterfalls on the way there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hopefully, be nice.
Okay.
They don't want to see us. They want to see the color.
See you later. Of course they want to see me. Not
Oh,
you.
my God. Crazy like a bed bug.
Bye guys. Update you later. Bye. Magandang umaga. Beautiful people. Ito, busy na naman kami. Live.
Yeah?
I'm doing live.
I didn't think you'd have a signal.
Ito, di naman masyadong malamig. Balot na balot lang. Ano oras dito? 9:00? Ayan. Nangungubat kami. Ay, nako. famous sila sa waterfalls. Ito yung first waterfalls na pupuntahan namin. They called it Canyon Falls. Ayan. Kaya pakalat-kalat kami sa gubat. Yung isa, ayan o, nakikita ko sa inyo. Ayan, busy na siya. May dala-dala siyang stick. Camera yun, 360 camera. Alam mo kung anong ginagawa, nagdo-document ng mga moss. Gubat-gubat lang pag may time. Sama ko kayo sa aking paglalakbay.
We're in the forest, honey.
Yes!
Finally.
Forest. Shit. Ooh. Ooh, creepy. I don't want any snakes. No. Malamig. Malamig, malamig, malamig. Naririnig ko na ba ang falls? Baka ma-fall ako. Ooh. Yeah. Tingnan nyo naman yung yung kanyang route. Oh, di ba? Ay. Yan lang. Pwedeng pangsiga. Punta ako dito. Lakbay-lakbay lang tayo, mga kabayan. Kumusta na kayo? Ay, lamig. Walking. Ito, pakalat-kalat sa gubat. Ay. Yay. Lapit na. Lapit-lapit lang. Pag may time. Saan na isa? Ayun, kalat-kalat lang. Pakalat-kalat lang kami. Yeah, I can hear now the waterfalls. Waterfalls. Yan na, lapit na tayo. Ta-na-na. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Lapit lang, no? Para bang, dun lang ho kayo. Dun lang malapit lang. Pero, isang katerbang layo pa pala. Ayun! Natatanaw ko na. Si waterfalls. Malamig. Mga countrymen. Very cold. Ay, nako. Nasaan ka na? River lang pala, no? Falls ang tawag nila. Ay, nako. Nagpo-fall na ang mga dahon. Oh, tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda ng kulay. Oh, dami. Ganda-ganda ng mga kulay ng mga dahon-dahon. Dahon-dahon lang pag may time. Ay, nako, bababa sa malalim. Ayaw ko. Nandito na lang ako. Ganyan. Nako, ang asawa ko sigurado tatakbo dun. Ayun na, oh. Rumarampa na. Ay, sus, Ginoo. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Nakakatekot. Baka mahulog ang aking phone. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Beautiful. Beautiful fall. Beautiful. What a beautiful. Nakakatuwa naman. Diba? They call this one Canyon Falls. What it means? Pretty. Ganda, kaaliw. Sino asawa ko? Sana naman rumampa yun. Diyos ko po. Alam po, mahanap na naman ng the best light. The best light. Best. Ayun, natanaw ko na. Marampa na. Ay, cold. Okay lang, maglakad. Ayoko lang ng merong ahas. Snake, get out of me. Get out. Trail. It's written trail. Okay, trail. Let's go to the trail. Da-na-na-na. Kasama ko kayo sa aking paglalakbay. Para alam ninyo, 'di ba? Para makita ninyo yung ganda ng binigay na ng ating may kapal. Ganda ng kalikasan. Oh, busy na siya, oh. Haba na ng kanyang stick. May upuan. Parang type ko dito. Ay, nice. Nice, Kera. Ayoko nga dyan, mabato. Punta ako dito sa roots. Yan. Tarararam. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Wow! What a nice falls! O, diba? It's a beautiful falls. Ang ganda. Sawa ko, rumarampa na. Ang ganda ko. Ganda. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan ako. Diba? Falls lang pag may time. Lamig. Ganda ng kulay ng mga ano. Tingnan niyo, ha? Oh, ang ganda ng kulay ng mga puno, ano? Oh, hindi ho namimingwit ang asawa ko. Camera ho yan. Yan, kinukunan niya ang camera ng ang falls. Yeah. Nice. Okay, friends. Ito ang Canyon Falls here in the Upper Peninsula, Michigan. Enjoy! Kati! Magandang araw sa'yo! Pakalat-kalat ako sa forestry. O, diba? Nangungubat ang kagandahan ni ate mo. Alam mo kung nasan ako? Andito lang ako sa falling sa Canyon Fall, Upper Peninsula, Michigan. Yan, nangungubat kami. Ito mas kasi dito marami kasi ditong falls. Ito yung first falls na pinuntahan namin. Ayan. Punta naman kami doon, malayo pa. Sus Marios, at ang kuya mo kung saan pumunta. I missed you! Kasama ka sa akin paglalakbay. Enjoy! Para naman, saka ang gaganda na ng mga puno. Tingnan mo yung mga kulay ng puno. Yan ang pinuntahan namin dito. Antayin ninyo yung kanyang video. Gaganda. Diba? Yan, may kausap na siya. Photographer. Hindi namin kilala. Pakalat-kalat lang kami dito. Miss you. Bye-bye. Hi, Boss Mirna. I missed you. We are here now in the forest. It's our first canyon, falls, that waterfalls that we went, because here in Michigan, in the Upper Peninsula, are so famous, all the waterfalls. So here, and my husband is already checking, again doing his. What are you going to do, honey? The drone? Drone up the thing. It's so beautiful now, the trees here. Different colors. That's what we are enjoying so much. And then, I miss you. Take care, always. Giving you a lot of pictures soon, so that you will know and you are part of our journey in our trip. Part of our trip. Love you. Bye-bye, boss. She is also planning to buy iPhone 13 Pro.
Yeah.
What can you say about it?
iPhone 12 and 13 Pro, very, very good.
Yeah.
I love mine. Picture video quality is very, very good. 13's better. Also, the Max, I believe, has some stabilization built into it, but nothing like the Pocket Osmo does. But if you had both, you'd be probably would not need anything else when you're traveling. I mean, for shooting the kind of stuff that you're shooting, you'd be done pretty much.
Is it hard to do editing on that? The DJI?
I just download everything into Adobe Premiere Pro, so there are some other cheaper programs that you could use. It's relatively easy to just chop it up, but if you're going to start adding effects and sound and music and transitions and all of that, you need a better program. But there's quite a few simple ones that you could just cut really quick.
You can was this Bugoy can do a lot of things on that. He can be more playful, so he knows things. He will know things, right? So
yeah,
I think his son is going to.
And there's a bunch of different. iMovie will do, on the Apple.
Ganda,
iMovie will do quite a bit. So, that's a relatively simple program, and I think almost. Actually, all iMacs or all MacBooks and everything have that.
Okay.
So that's, I think, included maybe. Final Cut Pro is good. There's also, I don't remember, it's Final Cut or another one you can download for free for a, if you search for, video editors, there's one that is really good that you can download most of it for free and use it. Only if you need the more professional features do you have to pay. I believe that's true. Again, iMovie. But if you're just going to chop it up and, put some title on it and everything, iMovie probably is plenty good.
Diba?
But those are the two best. And then if you use the Insta360, which I have, you also are going to need a computer, and you're going to download the Insta360 editing suite, which is free. You can just download it because you can only use it if you have an Insta360.
Yung Insta360, yun yung hawak niya dun sa may river na mahabang stick na makikita mo yung 360 area.
The nice thing about the 360 is, one, you could keep the 360 video, or you can do like a lot of special effects with it, fun stuff that you'd probably enjoy. Like you can take and put it on a rope that it comes with, or a stick, and you can spin it around you and do a party video.
Watch
kind of a
the
thing.
video of your kuya, the 360 review. Maganda rin yun.
And but you can also, the cool thing about the 360 is if you're walking, it records everything all at once, and then when you go back and edit it, you can choose what to view. So you can have what you were seeing straight ahead, but then you could flip it around to show people around you, behind you, beside, on either side or behind you, and back and forth, and then you can use it like that. So it does a lot.
Okay, good. From advice of the professional photographer. Hello mga countrymen. Ito, nagpapahinga ang inyong lingkod. Wala lang, nandito lang kami sa kalsada, sa tabing kalsada. Napagod. Napagod sa Cadre Drive yung asawa ko. Ayan. Yung sa likod ko, naglalaro na naman. Ayun o. Laro na naman siya. Laro-laro lang pag may time. It's a bug's life. Oh, who's that? Hello? Hello? Nagdo-drone na naman siya. Pakalat-kalat na naman ang drone. Ayan lang ang aking harapan. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo. Sandali. Yan. Baguhin natin. Paano ba mababago to? Tadan! Di pa mabago eh. Paano nga ba? Ayan, umaraw ka. Ayan ang hala. Iharap ko na lang sa inyo. Ayan. Yan ang nasa harap ko ngayon. O diba? Ganda. Napakatahimik. O. Iba-ibang kulay ng puno. Napakaganda. Tahimik oh. Yan lang. Yan lang harap ko. Diba? Kung nakikita ninyo, yung mga puno, may kulay orange, pula, apple green color. Oh, kaganda. Kaaliw. Napakaswerte natin. At meron tayong ganitong klaseng nature na nakikita. Salamat po sa Diyos kung binigyan tayo ng magandang nature. Dito lang ako sa tabi ng kalsada. Ayun yung kalsada. Kaya maingay. Ay, nako. Ayan. Asawa ko. Ayan, busy na naman siya. Naglalaro na naman siya. Ayan. Nagdo-drone. Meron siyang drone. Meron siya nun. Malaking camera.
Nice.
Naman, oh. Where is nice?
The drone's down there.
Ah. Kikita niyo. Friends.
In the shadow.
Shadow daw, shadow. Dito tayo sa shadow. Hindi ka lang.
It's very symmetrical. It looks like a tree.
Ewan ko nakita ninyo. Ang ganda. Diba? It looks like a tree daw. It's a tree. Ay. Oh, diba? Maaraw dito.
It's way over there.
Okay, folks. Sa tabing dagat. Hindi. Tabing ilog. Welcome sa tabing ilog. Wala lang. Bye-bye. Ciao.